Hi, my name is Kumudini Thalari. I'm an international student. I graduated from here, my master's in biotechnology, and I'm right now a staff, like a temporary employee in the food safety lab, and I'm working in Pulse UV light. So, uh, right now we had a ARD and we have research, and last time I presented my research in 2022. It was like inactivation of salmonella using pulse UV, and right this year I'm going to present in different in pulse UV light. In pulse UV light, inactivation of salmonella on pecans to predict using AN model, like artificial neural network. It is like intelligent, and it will be predicting the model what you got the results. It will be predicting by using this model. So I'm interested to present you, and I'm thinking you are so excited to listen me at the ARD, and I'm happy to join in the Fort Valley because they give full of opportunities to explore all over. And you know ARD is important. You can explore every research what we have, what we are going through. We can get opportunities in the PhDs, or you can get jobs. It's a good opportunity. My Fort Valley is giving my support to present in ARD. Thank you for Fort Valley.
Hello guys, my name is Eric Enoch. I'm a proud student of Fort Valley State University, which has been a nurturing ground for many aspiring leaders and scientists just like me. I'm currently advancing in my journey in the Department of Public Health. This field has not only been a major of study, but a profound passion that aims at making a significant difference in the lives of people and also promoting health and well-being. Now, transitioning into a subject that is very close to my heart that I'm passionate about, I would like to share with you a groundbreaking study that I and my colleague have been deeply involved, which is the title of our research is a study of the status of pathology of raccoons in Georgia as related to zoonotic disease spread in DNR technicians and the general public as a whole. Now, this study, it sheds light on the health status of raccoons in Georgia and the possible implication it has on our general health. Now, Fort Valley State University as a whole, it drill, I will use the word drill because it actually drilled, that's what it does to aspiring professionals just like me. It drilled me and prepared me for this, and my anticipation on ARD, it evolves around networking, partnership, and learning from professionals and peers. Now, in essence, the ARD Symposium stands as a beacon of opportunity. I see it stands as a beacon of opportunity for me, an opportunity to grow, learn, and contribute to the field of public health and environmental health.
Hello, everyone. I am Jordan Brown from Warner Robins, Georgia. I am a senior animal science major, and I do play volleyball for Fort Valley State University. This is my first time presenting at the ARD conference. I am presenting a research based on comparing adult goat serum compared to the fetal bovine serum. And in cell proliferation or cell growth, there has to be media for the cell to grow. So we had to compare the adult goats, which is in our slaughterhouse in our backyard, which is cost efficient compared to the fetal bovine serum, which can range from anywhere from $400 to $1,000 a bottle. The potential impact of this research may lead to veterinary and humane improvements and advancements of medical research. So the cell growth we can use that for other things just besides goat cells. So we can test it and see the subjectivity where it can range to. So this research relates to my aspirations to become a cardiologist. With this, we can work with the basic fundamentals of research. So it relates to as a PCR. So, someone contracts flu, influenza, or anything like that, PCR tests or anything, centrifuge. This teaches me the basics of just becoming a fundamental doctor and allows me to get a ground understanding before going to med school. So Fort Valley has most prepared me via biology classes. So biology 1101 and everything. They teach the basics, especially in this research, micropipettes and everything. I think that's one of the key fundamentals. And one of the biggest things I am looking forward to at the ARD conference is the networking and the ability to work on my speech and performing in front of others. Because in medical school, you are required to speak in front of a large crowd about research. So this is a direct comparison.
I am Caitlin Garland. I'm from Canton, Georgia. I came down to Macon to do my undergraduate at Mercer University, where I got my undergrad in biology with a minor in chem. Then I went to go work at the USDA station in Byron, and it's from there that I met Dr. Imbata, who got me started in my master's program here, and where I'm now completing my master's in biotechnology. So my research is on the small hive beetle and using entomopathogens, specifically entomopathogenic nematodes, to manage populations in the soil. This is going to be really important for populations of honeybees, actually, since the small hive beetle is an invasive predator of European honeybee hives. So we're just trying to decrease the pressure of just another thing working against honeybees, which is important to you and me because they are really important to a lot of our food. Without honeybees, we don't have a lot of the fruits and vegetables that we're so used to having. So yeah, and then this will be the second time that I have presented at ARD. And the first time I just did a poster, but this time I feel a little bit more confident, and since my research is completed, I'm ready to give a full oral presentation this year. I think the partnership that the USDA has with FESU is really valuable. A lot of the professors here are very knowledgeable, but it's awesome to supplement that knowledge with the people working with us at the USDA. In my research, I communicated a lot with Dr. Shapiro, and he offered me some of his expertise on nematology, and a lot of the people who have worked here in postdoctoral fellowships also have learned a lot of information from him. So that and just the culture, it's a pretty small program, which is nice because you get more of a personal touch, and there's a lot of personal communication with the professors, which is a great opportunity if you take advantage of it. This year, I think that the last year I just saw so much opportunity for just communication and getting to know new people. One of the things that I thought was really valuable the first time around was that I got to meet students who were actually working in the same thing that I was, and who knew what small hive beetles were and what entomopathogenic nematodes were. So it was kind of fun to be able to relate and have that communication, and also just a great time to meet people that you wouldn't have an opportunity to meet otherwise. I would say to future students, it's a big word to say biotechnology or entomopathogenic nematode, but don't be too intimidated by it, because there are a lot of people who want to help you learn and who are excited to share what they know. So really take advantage of the people who are around you. Don't be afraid of them. I think sometimes when people have a lot of letters after their name, you kind of like want to shrink back, but they are here for you. And I think if I could do it all again, I would just be even more open with people, asking more questions, and learning even more just from the expertise of the people around.